everyone, welcome to another tutorial by Ayush Paper. I am Suprava, a mandala artist. As paper matters to me, today we are going to use A5 white sketchbook by Ayush Paper. It has 140 GSM white said hot pressed acid-free paper. It can be used for sketch, doodling, light watercolor, penwork and mandala. We will be using these basic materials for the artwork. These are different tip size of fine liners which we are going to use in our artwork to create beautiful patterns. First of all, we will find the center point of the page. So divide the page into vertical and horizontal line and mark at the center. Then we will divide the page into different segments. Draw a parallel line 6 cm above center point, then 2 cm above and 2 cm below the center point. Then place each petals of the lotus in 8 segments. If you are a beginner, always make grids. It will help you to maintain symmetry in your drawing. If you are not confident enough to draw directly with pen, then first draw with pencil, then you can go for pen. Always go for double outline with your pattern. Outer line with bolder tip pen and inner line with thinner tip pen. Now I am drawing 2 pointed petals with double outline inside each petals. We know that mandalas are mostly circular in nature but can be drawn in various shapes. So you can use any shape and design to create fusion mandala as you wish. Now I am using pink fine liner to draw over the pencil marks to achieve symmetriness. As we know, mandala is all about balance and symmetry. Mandala art is a spiritual symbol which is started by Buddhism, but as time passed, they have become more popular across the world. Now, this art form is used for meditation as it helps in improving your focus and concentration. Let's start with first layer of lotus petal. I am drawing petal arc inside the layer. You can use pencil, then go for pen. And remember, don't left any space between the petals. Now I am drawing little black petals inside the petal arc. You can use any fillers, any patterns as you wish. I have many pattern sheets in my Instagram handle that I have mentioned in below description. Now I am drawing the second layer with spiral patterns. These patterns brings intricacy in your artwork which will make your work more beautiful. I am using some shading techniques to fill the center part. Now we will repeat these steps to fill all the petals of the lotus. If you have any queries, anything related to art, you can ask on ask.ayushpaper.com. Lastly, I am using a bold tip fine liner to draw the outline of the lotus mandala. It will give a better shape to our artwork to stand out, and this is going to be the final result of our artwork. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can't miss out amazing tutorials that are coming to your way. Thank you so much for watching.